Okay, 4 of them jumped on board. Yes. We're at Nang Noi's house.
What?
Oh.
Chicken?
Everything!
Oh.
We have food. Much food. You want help? Never know what they're doing here. Junia. Sabari! Okay, it's the wall they're building. Yeah, I don't want to videotape him. I try to be sensitive. Some of these people, to their family, whatever. Oh. Okay, that's the rice mill in that barn. And then over here, they're raising ducks and chickens everywhere. They don't really, they're free-range chickens and free-range ducks and fairly free-range everything actually. Okay, I don't know what this is all about, but okay, they do have some little babies that were born that are, there's some ducks I think. They warm those at night. They have the equivalent of a light bulb incubator. And here is Yao's pig operation. Oh, shut up. You ain't going anywhere. So we got 5 pigs now. 2 females, 3 males. One of them's pregnant. Maybe that one's pregnant. And then he's got 11 little piglets that were born, and then one of them's still pregnant. So, I mean, and he's gonna raise those, and when they get big enough, then I think you sell those for like 1,000 baht, which is like $30. I don't know how big that would be, but okay, this is the exhaust effectively from the rice mill, like the rice husks. The real heavy ones come out these chutes in the back of the rice mill. Okay. And alright, there's the rest of the farm. They've got in the background, I think 4 lakes for raising fish. And then they got cows in there. I don't know where the cows are. And then there's the, oh shit, okay. I don't know where the cows are, but they're somewhere back there. And then this garden area, they raise a lot of vegetables and have fruit trees and things. That fenced in area there. Okay, that's the garbage pile. And then anything kind of vegetative goes over the fence to the cows. And I don't know what that is, but and some old wood. Old truck, cement mixer. Okay, this is like the outdoor kitchen there. And then here's the house. Rest of the house. Main floor is like a living room, huge living room, and then the kitchen over there. And then that's the indoor kitchen there. And then the outdoor kitchen there. Let's go look at the outdoor kitchen. Okay. Old truck. Okay, this is the outdoor kitchen. They're getting ready for a big, I don't know what that tank is, water or gas, but they're getting ready for a big cooking. This will be like a massive cook fest over here. Yeah, are you busy today?
Yes.
Yes, a lot of rice? Yes. You look busy.
They know I am busy.
Yes? Okay, here's some hammocks I bought. It's part of the long-term lounge. Trying to make a lounge here so that the people, as they're waiting for the rice to get shelled, they can
They know
sit.
I am busy. That's why they.
They're very nice.
Yes, they're very nice customer.
Yes. All paying customers, very nice. Anyone who pay me, I like.
But they don't go away, but they just.
Yes.
just
They
know
not come?
they not come today.
Well, one of these days we're gonna have to do we'll have to do a video of the rice mill. One day. Very nice. We talked about it before, but we never do.